Oh my god, I literally just forgot how to start my camera. This looks weird. Yes. Literally, this setup's so different. This is literally my wall, and then I've got a ring light in my camera. Throwing it back to old days, but I've lost my section grip. Oh my god, this is not a good start. This isn't a sample, I've just squeezed it into a pot. It's the MAC Select Cover Up, but it comes out way too fast, so just squeeze it into a little pot, and then you save so much product. So I've got the MAC Select Cover Up in NC20, and then the MAC 252. This is what P. Louise uses, like this combo. Even though she's just brought out her own base. I ain't even got a mirror. I'm just gonna carve out my brow. I've got dandruff. That is a problem. See, I'm carving out my brows before I've filled them in. I'm not joking. I'm gonna fill in my lid as well, like with the concealer, because I'm gonna use this as a base. So I've put the NC20 Select Cover Up on. I do usually use like Endeavour 15, that's like white, do you know what I mean? So the shadows really pick up colour. But for shadows, I'm going to take a mixture of like a Makeup Geek, Colourpop, and then the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm just going to mix into warm shades. It doesn't really matter what you use, but oh my god. Someone's literally like gorged into my shadows. Whatevs. Right, I'm just going to quickly do my brows because I want to try these out. It's the Olivia Bella Beauty Dip Brow Pomades. A lot of makeup artists use these. I've got dark brown and medium brown. Dark brown seems quite warm and medium brown seems like I'm going to like it. It's not too cool, not too warm. But I'm going to use a mixture of this, and I've been using Spiked from MAC. Oh my god, they're so creamy. I was not expecting wasn't expecting that, hun. These are, wow. I might just use them on the tail because I like a MAC Spiked. Like, I like using Spiked to make it all feathery because I haven't put my brows in like so long. I prefer a feathery brow now. Not setting this base. I'm on to new things now. Blending brush. I'm gonna go straight in with peaches and cream. Well, that one, and then chickadee, which is the yellow. Getting a lot on my brush. Brush MAC 221, they've discontinued it, they've got the smaller one there. Gonna go straight in with Cocoa Bear, just a warm chocolate brown. And then just gonna go in with like a darker brown. Just gonna keep getting darker and darker, and I'll eventually use black. Outer corner as well, I'm gonna start putting this colour on. Outer corner and crease. Always gonna go back in with transition colour on the outer part, like higher up, just to give it a good fade, hun. With that MAC 252, and then that little concealer. I'm gonna carve out half of my lid. That's crazy. I just ended up doing this eye of camera because it was taking too long and I didn't know what I was doing, so I'm gonna do this eye now. Yeah. pretty dramatic hand. So taking the MAC 252 brush, I'm just going to take some Fix Plus and just wet it. Taking the Peaches makeup pigment in the Gatsby shade. It's like pure gold, like a champagne gold. It's amazing. Gonna literally just pat it all over the lid. Taking makeup everywhere. Makeup Atelier Paris liquid like eyeliner, waterproof diamond shade. I don't know. It's like a liquid eyeliner. Just gonna go around the cut crease. I've done this so many times in videos. You just follow the cut crease, if that makes sense. Like you'd be carving out again, but if you just watch slowly, then it'll probably be easier than rather than me explaining. The MAC 221 brush. The reason I'm looking down and not looking at it is because I want it to dry, but I'm just going to go in with some of the dark brown shades, like Cocoa Burn, just something a bit darker, and just losing everything. The NYX liquid liner, and I'm going to do quite a thick wing because it's Christmas, why not? I'm going to take a pencil brush and Nylon from MAC. It's just like a creamy white shade. Then I'm going to take Felicia Lash from Amber. I'm going to stick that on. Then taking the MAC 252 and that concealer, I'm just gonna go under right to my lash line. MAC 221 and just a mixture of the browns, and just, you don't have to go as dramatic as I did under the eyes. You could just put light brown or whatever, a flat shader brush thing, some black shadow, and push that up against my lower lash line. And then for the last step of the eyes, just taking that pencil brush again and Nylon from MAC on the inner corner. I like that part really intense, so I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty Primer. It has become my holy grail. 2 pumps of that. Look a bit gothic right now with all black on dark hair and dark eyes. Feel that. Foundation. I'm just going to take my L'Oreal True Match again. I'll still use this, it's still one of my faves, but I do love the Fenty one and also Giorgio Armani, but I'm not going to put a 40 quid foundation, I'll just wipe it off after a video. Been using 1 pump. Don't really feel like I need loads on right now. Concealer, I've been trying out new concealers. Again, that is still like my holy grail. But Peggy, Sage, a lot of makeup artists use this. So trying it out like I have been, and I love it. It's so creamy. And it's they compare it to NARS. I ain't tried the NARS one, but NARS who? Got missing a Fresh Beauty blender. This is massive. Don't matter if you've lost some of that colour because you can just fix it, it's fine. I'm taking the MAC Light Mineralized Skin Finish and a crown brush. This is the C530, I'll leave it linked down below. Using that to set like my under eyes and like where I'd get oily or crease. Give Me Sun. This is like my favourite bronzer. I'm just going to take that on like a large angle brush, just warm up my face. I'm going to take a smaller angled brush. It's literally a mini version of what I've just used to bronze. It's the Royal & Langnickel Contour BC 120 brush. I'm just going to take a bit of Hoola just to give it more of a structured contour. This is one product you've got to go easy with. It can go muddy very quickly. I'm going to take OFRA Bellini blush. I love blush at the moment. I'm just going to use it on this brush because I don't know where my everyone's gone. So I'm going to take Mako Darling on a Morphe M510. Love this. I think you can still get it, you know. I think it's like, because it was limited edition, but now I think they've brought it back apparently. I'm going to take that pencil brush and like highlight my like snot. I'm going to take, just pull this out, we're going to use this, it's Spice MAC lip liner. If you're going to come at me for overdrawing, then just click off this video now. What's this? Creme de nude, a bit pale. Yash is the one. Oh no. That is the finished look, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you want me to film more videos, let me know, and let me know what videos you want me to film. I feel like an egg. So yeah, I'm just enjoy, like and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. Bye.